Hey everyone, welcome to the last part of fraction level up series where we will be dividing the fractions with the rule. So the first slide is about dividing fractions with the whole number. So 1/2 divided by 2 becomes, the rule says that basically division is multiplying with the reciprocal of the second number. Okay, so reciprocal means if I have this 2, the reciprocal of this 2 is 1 over 2 because the denominator of 2 is 1. So the reciprocal means basically flipping the fraction. Numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. So it is the first fraction remains same. This division changes to multiplication. And what is the denominator of 2? It's 1. So the reciprocal will be 1 over 2. And now we just have to multiply the numerators with the numerators and the denominators with the denominators. So my answer is 1/4. Many students learn this rule by a simple thing of called as keep, change, flip. That means keep the first fraction as it is, change division to multiply, and flip the second fraction, and then you multiply them and you will get your answer. Let's do some more examples. So the first fraction as it is, and division becomes multiplication, and the reciprocal of 4 is 1/4. So now 2 times 1 is 2 and 3 times 4 is 12, and 212 in simplified form is 1/6. 5 6 divided by 5, 5 6 multiply by the reciprocal of 5, and what's that? It's 1/5. Now I can do 5 times 1 5 and 6 times 5 30, and my answer will be again 1/6. Or I can do one more thing. I can simplify at this step only. Okay, so 5 6 and times 1/5. I know that 5 and 5 can cancel out each other, so my answer is directly 1 over 6. You use any strategy, answer would be same. 7 8 multiply by the denominator of 4 is 1/4, and it becomes 7 over 32. This was the case of dividing fractions with the whole number. Now we will do when we are dividing whole number with the fractions. So keep the first fraction or the whole number as it is. Change this division to multiply, and what is the reciprocal of 1/4? It is just 4. So my answer is 8. 7 times, flip this fraction, 3, answer is 21. 6 times, flip this fraction, 3 halves. Now 6 times 3 is 18, and 18 divided by 2 is 9. Or I can cancel this 6 and 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 multiply by 4 thirds. It gives me 16 thirds, and 16 thirds is 5 and 1 thirds in the mixed fraction. Dividing fractions with the fractions. Now when our both quantities are fraction, the rules remain the same. Keep, change, flip. So keep the first fraction as it is, change division to multiply, and take the reciprocal of 1/4. And what's that? It's 4 over 1. Now this becomes 4, and 2 times 1 is 2, and my answer is 2. Simplify at this step, or you can simplify at this step, like you can cancel this and this to get 2. Okay, now 3/5 multiply by reciprocal of 6 over 20 is 20 over 6. I can do the cancellation over here. 3 times 2 is 6, 5 times 4 is 20, and then I get again 4 halves, and 4 halves is equal to 2. 5 sixths multiply by the reciprocal of 1/3, which is 3 over 1. 3 times 2 is 6, so I get 5 over 2, and 5 halves is 2 and 1 halves. 8 nines multiply by the reciprocal of 2 over 27, so it's 27 halves. I can cancel this 27 with 9 and 8 with 2, and my answer is 4 times 3 equals 12. And the last category of questions will be dividing mixed numbers with the mixed numbers when both the quantities are the mixed fractions or mixed numbers. So change these mixed numbers to the improper fraction. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 3. Okay, so multiply these two and add 1. 2 times 1 2 plus 1 3, 3 halves, divided by 4 times 2 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 fourths. And now this is normal division problem. So it is 3 halves multiplied by the reciprocal of 9 fourths, which is 4 ninths. 3 times 4 is 12, 2 times 9 is 18, or I can cancel it over here only. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So my answer is 2/3. 4 times 2 8, 8 plus 3 11, so 11 fourths, divided by 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 5 fourths. And now it becomes 11 fourths multiplied by the reciprocal of 5 fourths, which is 4 fives. Cancel. Okay, this one is this. And I get 11 fifths, and 11 fifths is 2 and 1 fifths, because 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1, 11. Let's change it over here. 5 times 3, 15 plus 3, 18, divided by 5 times 1, 5 plus 1, 6 fifths. And then 18 fifths multiply by the reciprocal of 6 fifths, which is 5, 6. 5 and 5 got cancelled. 18 can be divided by 6, as of course 6 times 3 is 18. So my answer is 3. So that was all in this fraction level up series. What next? Next is my complete course on polynomials, in which we will be discussing basics, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, factorization of the special products, and the other word problems. So thank you. Subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.